Hey guys, yesterday I made a small video about playing a movie on your display, and Morten and Ahmed gave me a really good tip on how to make the video appear on the screen right away. So I just want to show you this. And when you go to media and you see your videos, these are the videos that are on my USB stick. And when you play the video, you just have to swipe from the right to the left, and there's your video playing right away. So that's a very good tip. A bit silly of me that I didn't see that right away, but anyway, this is how you do it. So enjoy playing your videos when you're on a long trip. See you next time.